And we're here. When this outlet mall opened, it was such a big deal. So you can never do without a drugstore. So that was Walgreens.
No, you are a snail after all.
You got your pretty standard chain stores, Starbucks. Pretty touristy stuff. Northfield, Salt Lake City. So we're out of the Empire Outlets Mall area. Right, we're back with the Empire Outlet Mall. So let's do some shopping. There are escalators with very colorful covers. All your typical brands are here: GNC, Columbia. I think there are a few more empty spots. This is empty. I don't know why Crocs is still around. I mean, all these rubbery sandals. I don't know, but they got their followings. U.S. Polo, not the same Polo as the other Polo. Samsonite, Old Navy. Here's your directory. Yeah, as you can see, level 3 and level 4, there are plenty of empty space as of today. I'm not going down this way. Pretty quiet for a Saturday afternoon, actually. There are more store space up above. with all these retail apocalypse going on, I'm not sure if these stores are gonna do very well here. Look at all these empty spots. Look at that. I mean, when a mall is this empty, right, it doesn't draw as much crowd. Then the rest of the stores will kind of suffer. So I'm not sure if this is a good look. Even though I know it's new, but it doesn't look appealing. What do you think? I mean, especially if you pick a spot that's like kind of out of the way, I don't think you're gonna do well here if people kind of missed you or forgot or didn't notice you. Then what's the point of having a retail spot? Little spot for your Halloween pictures with pumpkins and stuff, and flanked by 2 empty stores. Yeah, this is too empty. Look, another one. Like I said, I know this is new, but doesn't look. Hopefully they'll be taken soon and put something in there. Because to be honest, the last thing we need is another mall converted into an Amazon warehouse. Flowers. The eyeglass store. And now we're back on the streets. And this is a view from the outside. There will be a Japanese restaurant up above us, and I think it's called it's the 4th floor of the outlet mall. Yeah, like I said, I hope I just came here too early for this. Maybe we should come back once the Ferris wheel is ready. Shake Shack is getting ready. Okay. Wish you were here. No storm rack takes up 2 floors. Okay, that's nice. So overall, I think we just came here a little too early before all the stores are taken and be ready. One of the things with New York City is that you can never go wrong with coming here. And I think it will be better next time we come back. H&M, Banana Republic, yep, all the brand name. Here's a American flag staircase. It's sponsored by National Grid. I hope they can sponsor me too. That would be nice. So this way back out to your public transit, taxis, and this way back to the ferry, and that's where the ramp we just got on. Bus behind this wall, and taxi, and yeah, this is how this is where you get out of the terminal and go back to where you sleep. And that's this building is under construction. So yeah, we kind of out of space in Manhattan. So now we are slowly invading Staten Island. So, and we'll definitely come back for it. All right, so. So I'm gonna do some of my own shopping now, and I'll be back. Sorry.
I know they go out under that bridge.